How to share a YouTube video on Instagram story. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video I'm going to show you the ways to share a YouTube video on Instagram story. For that, you just have to go ahead and open up your YouTube application first of all, and when you open up a login into your account, that's going to take you to the home page. Now let's say that I'm gonna go with this one. When you open up the particular video, then you just have to press the share icon and make sure to copy the link by tapping on it. As you're done copying the link, exit out of your YouTube and then go ahead and log in into your Instagram account. Here you just have to go ahead and create a story. You could either select the photo that's on your gallery, or you could also use your profile. I'm just gonna go ahead and randomly click a picture. When you're actually done taking a picture, then you can see there's this sticker icon in the top right hand side. Scroll down a bit and then go to link. Here you just paste in the link that you've recently copied and click the done button. As you've actually pasted the link, now you can go ahead and position the text. You could just keep it anywhere you like and click on your story. Now whenever somebody is actually pressing the link, he or she is going to be directly taken to the YouTube video. So that is basically how you can share YouTube video on Instagram. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.